So no pitch, no price, no answer, agent error, drop, busy, callback, answering machine auto, all this gets returned. Rest of the leads that's like not qualified, wrong numbers, disconnected, all this would never get redialed. So we do that. We select the list order as random. That means if you are selecting 2-3 different cities, it'll be picking numbers from 2-3 different cities rather than from a specific city. So there are other options like you can do it like up lead, down lead. So it will randomly pick the leads based on that status, right? And apart from that, this is where we reset the hopper. For an example, we are dialing for Toronto, and all of a sudden we would feel like that, okay, let's start with Scarborough. But as you see that the hopper level is 2000, even if I will switch it to Scarborough, there would be 2000 leads in hopper that need to be dialed before it gets switched to the new city. So I just need to avoid that. What I'll do is that I'll just reset the hopper once and I'll submit here. So once that has been done, this 2000 leads from Toronto that is there in hopper will get removed. So now it will fetch new leads from Scarborough. So that's how we do the hopper reset, force reset for any specific campaign. Another important part is auto dial level. It's set to 6. How does auto dial level works? Example, let's say that we have 10 agents who are dialing, and the wait time is about 50 to 60 seconds. It's going over a minute, and right now the dial level is set at 6. That means for those 10 agents who are sitting idle, the dialer is dialing into 60 numbers at the given point of time, right? So I need to increase that because the connectivity is poor. So then I will make that to 7 or 8. I'll increase a bit based on how much is the wait time, right? So then the dialer will start dialing more numbers per agent. It gets multiplied by the number of agents who are logged in, right? And then the wait time will come down. So this is what the first activity that we will do, that anytime we'll feel like, okay, the connections are less, or we are not getting as many calls as we are supposed to, then we will increase the wait time here. We'll increase the pacing here. So once we increase the pacing here, everything comes back to normal, right? So that's how it goes. And apart from that, there are a few more things that we do, but before that, for that we need to go to the detailed view. This is just the basic view that we are going through. Yeah, this is the detailed view of the campaign. In the detailed view section, we will have the same information that we saw on the basic view, but apart from that, there are a few more things that we can do. For an example, we have got the dial timeout, that a specific number is dialed for about 32 seconds. If nobody answers, dialer automatically disconnects the call and moves on. This is the campaign caller ID. This is where this is the number that is displayed in the campaign will be showcasing to the customer who are receiving the call, right? And it is important to make sure that this number that we are displaying is a disconnected number. It doesn't belong to any customer, and at the same time we have to keep on changing every now and then, because we are doing this call center route VoIP calling. So we just before it gets blocked, we need to constantly keep on changing. How do we do that? I'll tell you that also later on. So this is the only sectional parts that we need, and apart from that, there is not much that have to be worked on. It's all basic settings. So for an example, as I said, that we have to change the caller ID. I see right now Scarborough is running. This is the list. In every campaign, at the bottom of the campaign, you will see the list, respective list that is dedicated to that specific campaign. So Scarborough is running right now. I want to showcase a Scarborough number because it will give customers a local kind of a feeling, right? Somebody who's calling from the local same city or same area. I will pick up numbers from disconnected number auto. This is the numbers that doesn't exist. They are invalid, or they are not in service, right? So we can pick up these numbers. And how do we do that? I'll just copy this, and I'll go back any of this one disconnected numbers. I'll come back to the campaign display thing. Here, this is the campaign caller ID. I'll change the number. I'll come down. I need to submit so that it will come into effect. Right? So that's how the campaign management goes. So once it has been done, you would see, after every now and then, the connectivity